We'll flash cure this for like 30 seconds. So now you have really simple like roses. If you don't want anything else, just top coat it. If you want to do a matte top coat, you do a matte top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. If you decide to do a shiny, you can also shiny and just apply a shiny top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you're also good to go. But I'm gonna just doing a matte top coat and I'm gonna add just a little bit of a crystal on it. I'm using just a little bit red from the I'm gonna use a red and pink from the Ultimate Crystal Kits. I love this. It had everything I needed it. Just go ahead and using condensed glue gel. So we are doing some crystal placement. So I am go ahead. I'm really tempting. I want to use this beautiful, but then it's gonna cover your rose in there, right? You think? Yeah. So okay, we'll save this one for the next design. But I'm gonna do just a little bit of the
You can simply just bling out the flowers up.
No, I'm gonna not doing the flowers. I'm gonna keep the flowers there. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the condensed glue gel with the matte top coat and precision glue gel. So normally you see me doing it with the no wipe shiny top coat. In this beautiful design, we are going to do a matte. But however, it really depends on you. If you like to get in your shiny finish, you can definitely do a shiny. If you want to do a matte, you can do a matte. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Did you share it for me? Thank you, thank you. Happy Saturday. Hope you all have a fabulous week. Had a fabulous Saturday. And I'm go ahead and use just a little bit of the condensed glue gel. It's a really thick density, so you are going to need just a little bit, not much. However, you don't want to do it too much. Too much is going to flood your crystal. Too little is might not going to adhere your crystal properly. So close the lid, and then we're gonna go ahead and use some matte top coat floating right on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Okay, so beautiful already. And now we're gonna add just a little bit of a crystal smaller around the cuticle area. I'm using a red and you're getting the pink opal. Get another pink and a smaller red. I love this kit. Let's go with everything. And now if you want dress more, you can able to do like boop, 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 right here if you want to. If you don't want to leave it alone like this, you are good to go. What you can do is like a smaller, just a smaller. And then on this one, you can do it like this, or you can go in like a whole entire line and you can add beads on if you prefer, or you can leave it alone with no beads and add just a couple beads. She is really good with the beads on. So I usually gonna add the beads right between the crystals. Oh, my picker is like brand new, so. Hey, thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Okay, and that's it. You're happy with this? We'll go into Kia for 60 seconds.